Liza. Welcome to my channel, Show Me Beautiful. Today we're talking how not to look tired. I think I might have mentioned it about the worst thing you could say about me is, oh, you look so tired. Well, there's worse things, I'm sure. I look tired because I am tired. I don't think I've slept through the night, but maybe what, a handful of nights over the past few years? Oh well, that's a whole different show on how to get your best night's sleep. I'm going to give you some insider tips for how you can look less tired. And some are kind of really practical. And other ones are tips that, they're going to be game changers. I promise. And then at the end, I'm going to have some bonus suggestions for you that really have made all the difference for me. So let's get right into it. Here's the big one. I am not going to be using concealer. For you to use an eye cream. I know it's one more step, but you've got your clean face. You need to use it very liberally. Look at that. You want to just pat it under. And I'm going to keep this side of the face is going to be plain. The next step is your eyebrows. And you know my story about eyebrows, right? Well, I did have them dyed and I kind of love them. As opposed to penciling them in and shaping them, whatever, I just want to use the easiest product possible. The wands for me. I really don't feel like getting my glasses out and, penciling in my eyebrows. So let's start right there. It's already a big difference. And I don't love eye makeup, as you know, because my eyes are so sensitive. So I really want to highlight my eyebrow. And remember, you want to work on the arch. Pick a color that is a shade lighter than your actual hair color or your kind of pretend real hair color. Anyway, the biggest mistake you can make with eyebrow wands is to get them too dark. Next up, we want to use a corrector. It needs to be lighter than your foundation, and I like to use one that can be kind of yellow or peachy. Use this one and a brush because I'm tired and I don't want to get product in my eyes. So I'm just going to apply it where the dark is. That's all. And then I'll take my finger and gently press. Can you see the difference already? Be sure to get way in the corner. Okay, that's going to be about your most complicated step. Those of you who, love to wear it, I would put it on before your foundation for a more natural look. I'm going to use a BB cream because it's so simple. Second tip, where I have my redness, I'm going to apply just a little bit more. Remember, this is kind of a very natural, no makeup look, and I don't want it looking thick and cakey. So I'm going to use a little more of it right where I kind of go red. The next step is to use an eye brightener. I told you I'm not going to use concealer, and I know it's shocking. So this is by Kaja. This is an eye brightener. And again, I'm going to go so light, it's going to shock you. But remember, I want my skin to show through. This is not about the full face of heavy makeup. That's all. And then I'm going to pat it in with my finger. A little extra, so I'm going to put it on my eyelid. Next step is bronzer. Go crazy, gals, really. Blush, don't forget it. Next, a quick coat of mascara. So now I'm just going to put a little gloss on. So there is the look. This is nothing. And this is something. Last step is not to put your hair in a ponytail or up on a clip. I mean, really, we're tired, but we want to look our best, right? So let's do a little fluff and puff. This is a little dry texture spray that I love. My bonus tips is something that I've been using the past 2 or 3 years, and it's really made a difference. It is one of these silk pillowcases. Use your good cotton ones. You're going to wake up in the morning and you're going to have all those creases and lines on your face. So really remove your eye makeup. My last bonus tip, which a good friend of mine kind of shared with me years ago, is wear a bright colored scarf and wear a belted trench coat, because it doesn't really matter what's underneath there, but a belted trench coat looks chic, it looks together, and then you're going to have the pop of color. I mean, you know, you're tired, you probably don't feel great either. I hope you've enjoyed my video today on how not to look tired.